Right, good morning. This morning we're going to have a look at the brake system of a normal car. Most of the cars, older cars in the back, still have the brake shoes. So two brake shoes with linings on, and then there is a cylinder in the back where the pressure of the when you push the pedal, the brake fluid goes in here under pressure, and then it pushes out these two. It's like two pistons. I opened one here and you can see how it looks inside, and you can see what's going on inside one. Most of the new cars or upmarket cars have this brakes in front, but this one is still the older type. You see here is just a rubber. Here's the two pistons that goes in here. Firstly, here's your nipple where when you put or replace the brake fluid, you open here. You see there's a little slanted, and then it seals, but the moment you open it, there's a hole there, then the air goes out. It's just when you try to bleed or when there's air in the system. But as you bleed, you press the pedal, you bleed, open it, air comes out, and then you close it again. And there's a pipe goes in here, but here's like a sleeve. It's like a piston. Now here's two of these things goes in here, and this side also. And here's two rubbers. Now this rubber is coming in this side. Now obviously if the pressure is coming from the inside, you'll see here how this thing look. There's a little hole here, there's a ridge, but it's like a cone. But the cone must be like around this way. If the pressure oil goes in here, it opens up, and then it seals the inside of the sleeve. This is how it seals. If you should have put it the other way around, then the oil would just go past. And then the inside is a spring just to keep these things together, or just push them out a little bit. And then this goes in there, and this is how it goes. So this rubber is just to, if there's leakage, it keeps the fluid just inside here. But they don't last too long, and then they start leaking, and then you have to replace it. So it's better you can buy the sets then you replace it. But what's happening, the inside of there where it goes in and out, it pits, then doesn't seal properly. So it's cheap to buy a whole new unit and then you just replace it. Now how it looks in the inside, this thing sits like this in the outside of your car, and then this fits in there. And then this part has a little structure in the bottom that's connected to your body and your suspension. And then if the car moves the brake drum, and then you pushes the pedal, it goes out, and then I've got a brake drum here, then it lies inside here. Let's just put the stuff in here. Explain. When your brake drum goes, and then you brakes, and then this stuff pushes against the sides here, it breaks, and then there's a lot of forces on this thing, and it's connected to your suspension, this part, and then the car's connected to it obviously, and then it brakes your car. So this is how this thing is working. The inside of your brake system of your car. So see, this is how when it's old, the stuff goes away, but the back brake doesn't work so much. About 30% of the total braking system, because your car's so light in the back. And then also when this is getting rough, you can skim it if there's there's enough metal left. Otherwise, what's happening when it's too old, and then there's a ridge inside there, when you want to take the brake drum off, it gets stuck in here in this ridge, and you circle to get it out. So then it's better to skim it every time, so now and then. Okay, and then this is, I think this is from this is made from cast iron, looks like it, and this is, I think, from a Uno, Fiat Uno, and this is from my Toyota Tazz. You can see the circumference is not the same. And okay, now you guys know how the inside of your car, the back brake system is working. If you push your pedal, it pushes out these two stuff. The bottom is connected to static, and then it grips there and it breaks your car. Okay, I just thought that was interesting. This is how the inside of the brake cylinder in the back is looking. Now you also know. Hope you enjoy this video. Till next time. Cheers.